your subconscious mind. So, apat na, di ba? So, your game pieces and frequency that you need to harmonize, okay? So, your physical body, your emotion, your consciousness, and your subconscious mind. And the last one is your source fractal. So, yung source fractal mo, ito yung pinaka-God spark mo. Ito yung God divine spark mo na it is trapped inside your soul. Kasi nga yung soul natin, your soul is a soul cage. It is like a container of your divine spark. So yung source fractal natin, it is your energy na which is always 100%. Your source fractal is always 100%. So dito sa earth plane, so in order to raise the frequency and in order to level up in a higher dimension, so your battery should be in a 50%, at least 53 above percent. So diba, you are a battery, you are an energy. So at least we need 53% above in order to level up. So lalo na kung naka-enter ka ng 5th dimension, so you can upgrade and you can harmonize all of that frequency, your body, your consciousness, your emotional. So the more na drain ka at you are not aware of your energy, so it is difficult for you to upgrade and level up into a higher plane, into a higher dimension. So yung ano natin, itong body natin, yung apat na nabagay ko kanina is we need to harmonize that para mag-raise ka ng energy and frequency. And then yung source fractal mo, your source fractal, which is your God spark, so it is always 100%. It is always 100%, and your goal is to align all of those 4 frequency is to align your source fractal. Kaya nga 'di ba, kung nasa spiritual awakening kayo, makakarinig kayo ng mga tingling. Ting! Doon sa tenga mo. Marami yan yung mga ear ringing. Kung nakaka-experience kayo yan, ear ringing. Ting! Kasi ang purpose nun, that is your source fractal na hina-harmonize niya yung iba pang 4 na frequency sa body mo. So, yun yung purpose nun. Sabi nila, pag narinig mo sa kanan, ibig sabihin good spirit yun, or from higher realms, they can communicate with you. And sometimes, pag nasa kaliwa naman yung naririnig mo, sabi nila, ito yung mga lost spirits na gustong makipag-communicate sa'yo. Sometimes, it is your spirit guide. Pero, itong, based on my experience, once na nakarinig ka ng tingling sa tenga mo, na ting! Ibig sabihin, that is your source fractal na para siyang tuning fork. Alam mo yung tuning fork na pang cleansing, na pag once na pinutunog mo yan, it can help also to balance our frequency body. So, yan yung source fractal natin, na every time na maririnig mo yan sa tenga mo, na natunog na yan ng tuning fork, so it means that it aligning all your frequency, your body, your frequency. So your physical body, your emotional frequency, your consciousness, your subconscious, and your yung source fractal mo. So ayan yung goal mo, na kailangan ma-align mo yon, and kailangan yung 5 na yan, it need to be compact and harmonized in order to level up. So kapag naabot mo na yung 5th dimension, 6th dimension, 8th dimension, 9th dimension, so pag nasa level ka na ng 10 to 11 dimension, so at least yung battery mo dyan is hindi ka nabababa ng 83%. So imagine your cellphone, if you have a battery, so magagamit mo pa, diba, ng marami beses ng mahabang oras yung cellphone mo. So ganun ka din, the same, na if you are low battery, so you don't have energy, so you cannot use your cellphone. It is the same thing. But if you have more battery, so you can level up, you can explore more, you can research more, so it is the same. Ganon din tayo mag-work. So in order to enter a higher frequency, in a higher frequency planes, in a higher realm, or what you call heaven, so you need your energy. Kaya need mo yung energy mo to attract, not to chase, but to attract your your best life experience. So you need your energy, you need your frequency, because your frequency determines your life experience. The more you are vibrating in a higher frequency, the more na untouchable ka sa mga low vibrational spirits, sa mga negative entity. And the more you are vibrating in a higher frequency, the more you attract positive experiences, high frequency experiences, yung mga experience that you need to experience while you are here in planet Earth, on planet Earth. But if you don't have enough energy, so you cannot experience, you cannot change your life script. So that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you love this content,